what's going on, everybody? Gonna do another Dyson Heurist test. This time we're gonna do a larger pickup in a smaller area since it can't seem to handle a big area. So I threw down a whole bunch of crushed Cookie Crisp, and I put a lot towards the edges because I really want to see if this thing does a good edge job. I personally don't think it's going to because there's no side brush, but hopefully it proves me wrong. And I left a couple of bigger chunks on purpose because I heard this thing can clog pretty easily. So if it clogs over these half a little piece of Cookie Crisp, that's gonna be a problem as well. So I'm gonna start this up, let it run. I'm gonna record the entire run. Shouldn't take that long to do this small area. And then I'll probably do the same test on the Roborock S5, the new Shark IQ, and the Roomba i7. I'm not going to do anything based off weight. That's kind of pointless for this test. I'm just going to see how much it leaves behind, if anything. So hopefully I can get everything. Like I said, I don't think it's going to do a good edge cleaning, but we'll see. Hopefully I'm wrong. Let's get this on high. I'm going to leave it on high just because it's a small room. It should easily have enough battery to do this. So let's see how it does compared to the others and if it can get the edges done. All right, there's the Dyson 360 Heurist. And as I assumed, the edge test is a joke. So it's done. It thinks it finished this whole area. Oh, another failure, if you ask me. I mean, it missed this entire section. It did a great job in the middle, but I mean, that's to be expected. But look at all those crumbs on the edge. I mean, it just doesn't have that brush, the side brush, to flick it out. And it can't, I guess it can't line itself up perfectly with the baseboard. So if you ask me, that's a fail. I mean, that's a lot of crumbs. Bad Dyson. As I guessed, edge cleanup is not good at all on this thing. And the last one to test is going to be that Shark IQ. I'm hoping that thing will do a perfect job. As of now, the Roborock just absolutely destroyed the other two. I'm honestly, I'm hoping the Shark IQ can do it just as good as the Roborock. Do I think it will? Probably not, but we'll see. I'm gonna do that test right now. See ya.